Good morning, students. This is Yogesh Chand Sharma, English PGT RPS Beirut. Let's complete our chapter from moment. Half part of it we have completed in the first video in the kingdom of fools. So here we go. The goldsmith named the merchant, and he was none other than the original owner of the house. So, at last, what happened? He reached to the old merchant. Okay, the goldsmith named the merchant, and he was none other than the original owner of the house, whose wall had fallen. So now justice had come full circle. He says, king says, that justice had come full circle. Thought the king back to merchant. When he was rudely summoned, when he was rudely called, summoned means called back to the court, he arrived crying, "It wasn't me, but my father who ordered the jewelry. He had died. I am innocent." So he also apologizes by saying that my father who ordered the jewelry had died. But the king consulted, means took an advice, his minister, and ruled decisively and took decision. Okay, decisively means took decision, and he took decision. It's true, your father is the true murderer. After decision, taking decision, he says, your father is the true murderer. Okay, he had died means, but somebody must be punished in his place. It may be misdeed that is done by the father, but at least someone or somebody must be punished in his place. You have inherited. Inherited means received from ancestors. Okay, so you received from ancestors everything from the criminal father of yours. Means everything you receive from your father. So this crime is also inherited by you to your father. You have inherited, matlab you receive it from your ancestors. Everything from that criminal father of yours. Everything you receive means you also receive the criminal crime, means accused of murder, his riches as well as his sins. Yes, means both the things you receive, his riches as well as his sins. Sins होते हैं पाप. I knew at once, even when I first set eyes on you, means even when I saw you at the first time, I guessed that you are the mistaken, that you were at the root of his horrible crime. And I know, or I came to know at the first time when I saw you, you are the root of his horrible crime. You must die. You must be punished. You must be hanged on. And he ordered a new stake, means a new hanging, to be made. He ordered to make a new stake, a new hanging, फांसी का जो फंदा होता है, to be made ready for the execution, to be made ready for the hanging. As the servants sharpened the stake and got it ready for the final impaling. Okay, final impaling means last step. So as the servants sharpened the stake and got it ready for the last step of the criminal, because that was the last step. Okay, stake to one is the last step, execution is the last step. It occurred to means it happened. It occurred to, it happened the minister that the rich merchant was somehow too thin to be properly executed on the stake. He appealed to the king's common sense. The king too worried about it. The king was also worried or about it. Why he was worried about it? Because it was not well fitted. Because the rich merchant was somehow too thin to be properly executed. Means that cannot be executed well. है ना, वो फांसी का फंदा फिट नहीं बैठता था. It does not fit to the rich merchant because of the thin. So he appealed to the king's common sense. Then what happened? He applied the common sense. The king too worried about it. The king was also worried about it. What shall we do? He said. When suddenly it struck him, suddenly it hit him. Means an idea came into his mind that all they needed to do was to find a man fat. So what did the king say? Ki find a fat man enough to fit the stake. Okay, that is enough to fit the stake, to fit the hanging. The servants were immediately sent all over the town looking for a man who would fit the stake. They were searching such a fatty man, and their eyes fell on the disciple. Then they saw the disciple who had fattened himself for months on bananas and rice, wheat and ghee. So after taking bananas, rice and ghee, who had become fatty, they saw him. What have I done wrong? That disciple says, what I have done wrong? I am innocent. I am a sannyasi. He cried. He cried, I am a sannyasi, I am innocent. What's wrong I have done? That may be true, but it's the royal decree. Decree means order. But it is the royal's order that we should find a man fat enough to fit the stake. They said and carried him to the place of execution. So he was carried to the place of the execution before the king. He remembered his wise guru's words. So now he recalled his wise guru's words. This is a city of fools, or you don't know what they will do next. So he recalled what the Guruji said earlier before departing the place. While he was waiting for death, he prayed to his Guru. So before waiting for the death, he prayed to his Guru in his heart with wholehearted, asking him to hear his cry, or he was requesting him to hear his cry. Wherever he was, wherever the Guru was, he was requesting him, he was praying to him to hear his cry. Then the Guru saw everything in a vision. Guru is the visionary person who saw everything in a vision. He had magic powers to sense and to see. He could see far, and he could see the future as he could see the present. Yes, as he could see present, as he could see past and the past, in the similar way he could see the future. So the Guruji saw everything in a vision. Yes, he arrived at once to save his disciple, who had got himself into such a scrap. Scrap means difficult situation. Disciple who caught into a scrap or difficult situation, so Guruji arrived there to save him through love of food. Okay, disciple who met with scrap or difficult situation due to the love of food or greediness, but at last what happened? The Guruji went there, arrived at once to save his disciple, to save his life. As soon as he arrived, he scolded. Scolded means rebuked, chided the disciple. and told him something in a whisper, means something in a murmuring manner, told him to the disciple as if some important information was conveyed. Then he went to the king and addressed him, O wisest of kings, who is greater, the Guru or the disciple? He raised the question, who is the greater one, the Guruji or the disciple? Of course, the Guru, no doubt about it. King says, no doubt about it. Of course, the Guru is the greatest one. Why do you ask? Then put me to the stake first. Guruji says, if Guruji is the greatest one, तो put me to the stake first. पहले मुझे फांसी दो. Put my disciple to death after me, and then my disciple after me. When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor. Means he began to demand. Me first, you brought me here first. Disciple also says the same thing. You brought me here first, so give me first stake. Put me to death first, not him. The Guru and the disciple not got into fight about who should go first. The king was puzzled by his behavior. He asked the Guru, why do you want to die? We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake. King says that we needed a fat man for the stake, that's why we chose him, we selected him. So why you want to die? You shouldn't ask me such questions. Put me to death first. Make me understand. Will you promise to put me to death if I tell you? Ask the Guru. Guru ask, if I tell you everything, so will you do me a favor or promise to put me to death? The king gave him his solemn word. The king gave him his serious word, solemn word. The Guru took him aside, out of the servant's earshot. Earshot means auditory range. He took him out of the servant's auditory range and whispered to him and said to him, do you know why we want to die right now? The two of us. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this. He says, we did not find such a great city like this, or a king like you, or we did not find a king like you. That stake is the stake of the God of justice. We accept this stake because this stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Means no one criminal hanged on it. Whoever dies on it first, we will be reborn. Means we will get birth again as the king of this country. If we hang to death, then what happened? We will be the king of this country. I will be the king of this country. And whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. And next, who will be hanged or staked to, he will be the minister of this country. So we are sick of our ascetic life. Ascetic life means life of a joy. Okay? Or life of the sannyasi. So we fed up with the life of the sannyasi. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as a king and minister for a while. So we wanted to enjoy our life or next life as a king or as a minister. That's why hang me first. This is what. Now you keep your word, my Lord, and put us to death. Me first. Remember, Guru says, me first. Now you remember and put us to death. count on your words. The king was now thrown into deep thought. Okay, means he was bound to think, rethink, and he lost himself into the jungle of the thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. Even he did not want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He needed time, so he ordered the execution postponed. He said because he need some time to think, so he ordered to execution postponed, or to be the execution suspended to the next, give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Sorry, to the next day. Yes, it was suspended to the next day, and talked in secret with his minister, or he talked this secret with his minister. It's not right for us to stake ourselves. Is it not right to hanging ourselves, and we will be reborn as king and minister again? We will be again king and minister. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. Tonight means this night. This night we will send the criminals. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. And then do the same to the second man. The same in the sense, and then death to the second person. Those are my orders. That is my order. Don't make any mistake. During the night, the king and the minister went secretly to the prison. To the jail, they went secretly, released the Guru and the disciple, disguised themselves. They themselves disguised. They adopted the form of Guru and disciple as the two, and as arranged beforehand, okay, with loyal servants, and as arranged in advance with loyal servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed. Or immediately, what did he do? He quickly or promptly executed. Okay, hang this stake. फांसी लगा दी उनको. Foolish king and mantri. When the bodies were taken down to the throne to crows, when the bodies were taken down or thrown to the crows and vultures, the people panicked. The people were in pain. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king, and they saw the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. The people of the city was confusion. All night they mourned, they cried and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the Guru and the disciple. When they were thinking about the future of the kingdom, who will handle it, then suddenly they think about the Guru and about the disciple, and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave. When Guruji with the disciple was preparing to go or to leave the town unnoticed, means without noticing, without let the people know. So we people need a king and minister. Now what happened? The people decided we need a king and minister, said someone. So others agreed. They begged the Guru. They requested the Guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. They requested Guruji to be king. They requested the disciple to be their minister. It didn't take many arguments, means no one go against it, to persuade the disciple to persuade. Okay, it didn't take many arguments, means they conveyance easily. Persuade means conveyance to the disciple. They conveyance the disciple easily to be mantri or minister, but it took longer to persuade the Guru. But it took long time to conveyance. Persuade means to conveyance the Guru. They finally agreed to they finally agreed to rule the kingdom. At last what happened? Guruji and disciple, they agree to rule the kingdom of the foolish king, and the silly minister, on the condition that they could change all the old laws. Yes. So they became king and minister only in one condition, that they could change all the old laws. You know? In the old laws, what happened? They considered day into night and night into day, juxtaposition. So from then on, night would again be night and day would again be day, and you could get nothing for it to do. It became like any other place. So dear students, in such a manner we have completed this story. That is very simple story, and you may go through it and do prepare. Your exams are approaching on 21st of June. Dear students, avoid your writing work these days. I will be sending you some of the pics regarding the grammar and discussing in the Zoom classes, but do your writing work just immediate after the examination. Good luck. Thank you. Have a nice day.